Alright guys, so we are back again for another video of the EG hatch, and the goal for today is to get this thing to properly run. Alright, so before I continue this video, I want to say that I am shooting on a new camera. I said that in the previous video. I'm experimenting with the different camera settings. Yesterday's video was in 60 frames a second, and this one is in 30 frames a second. I'm trying to figure out which one I like better. Let me know in the comments below which one do you guys like better, 60 or 30. Now the reason we had to get gas is because the gas in the EG hatch is super old, so we think that the reason it won't start is because it's bad gas. So therefore, we got some premium gas because premium gas has like a higher ignition rate or something like that. Like it'll ignite faster. So we had to go get some premium gas. We're gonna go put it in the car and we're gonna try to get this thing to run tonight. Had to make it stop at AutoZone to get some gas treatment and some starting fluid because the car will not start without starting fluid. And this will hopefully kind of clean out any nasties in the fuel system and hopefully make this thing run. So we got the gas. We're gonna stick the gas in there, try to get this thing running. It might need an intake, so we might have to make another run back to AutoZone because they sell like $25 intakes they can kind of just slap on there. All right, you can try it. Now it's faster. All right, go. All right, we'll come back to you when we get this thing running.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Alright, so the motor has been running for about like 30 minutes, and then we kind of shut it off for another 30 minutes, took the hood off, and then kind of just inspected it. We're going to be giving this hood back because it's got a lot of memories in it and just a lot of history, and it's not for us. And it did come with headlights because there was no headlights installed, and Austin put the headlights in. They're very bright, but there are brackets that we can't seem to get in, so I mean, headlights are headlights. I mean, they work for the time being, so that's it. And then right now we're just gonna give it another start. All right, hold on. Oh, baby. There it goes. Let's go. Woohoo. Dude, I mean, it took a little bit, but I mean, the guy did say it needs a tune-up, so lots of TLC to be done to this car, but this is gonna be sick. The radiator is leaking, but I mean it's from Amazon, so we're probably just gonna replace it anyways. I mean we gotta, like I said, you know, we're probably gonna pick up an intake, just some cheap little intake thing for right here, just to slap it on, just for right now, so that it'll work. I mean, because when this thing gets up and running, you know, obviously Austin's got to pull the motor out of his car. I plan on pulling the motor out of my car. A lot of plans for this thing. It runs. I think we got most of the bad gas out of there, so it's gonna start up a lot easier now in case we need to move it out of the garage to let it fully run and just suck it out of gas completely.
Send it.
And then full send it. Exactly. So that's what we're gonna call it a video today. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope you guys are as excited as we are to start this project and just get it going. I know Austin's super excited. I'm super excited. So thank you guys for watching this video today, guys. I'll see you in the next one. See you later.